Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to check current password on Facebook. Actually, it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So actually, if you go to the Facebook, there is no option to see your current password, so there are only two ways how you can do that. So the first way, you need to open your iPhone library and then at the top of the screen you need to type password and then open the first one application, passwords. So then click on the unlock and then in the search bar you need to type Facebook. Here it is, then click on the Facebook and then if you tap on password section you will see your current password on Facebook. So the other way how you can see your current password is to open your Google Chrome application. Here it is, and then at the bottom right click on the three dots button, then scroll to the left this list of applications and then click on the password manager. And then if you have saved this password, it will appear here. So all you need to do is to find facebook.com and then see your password. So and that's all, and that's how to check current password on Facebook. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.